This is our YoloHealth ATM. Our YoloHealth ATM is used for preventive and primary healthcare services. We can check 40 plus health parameters with this ATM. This ATM is integrated with multiple medical IoT devices, which are US FDA and CE certified. The height of this machine is 7 feet with the height sensor. Without the height sensor, the height of the machine is 4.5 feet. The height sensor is detachable. The width and dimension of the machine is 3 by 3 feet and it weighs approximately 45 to 50 kgs. Let us start with the patient registration. For patient registration, we need the mobile number of the patient.
Right.
Put finger on fingerprint sensor.
Once this is done, we have to fill in the details of the patient. We have to enter the OTP.
1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1.
Once this is done, the registration is done. Now we will start with a basic health checkup.
Please stand under height sensor and press start button.
Once this is done, we go to our next test.
Please remove your shoes. Press start button when ready.
Once this is done, we get 10 parameters: the hydration level, the fat percentage, the muscle percentage, the BMI. We go to the next test, which is the blood pressure test.
Put the BP cuff on your left arm, above elbow. Remain still till test is completed.
Once the results are here, we go to the next test, that is the pulse test.
Insert your finger in oximeter and press start button. Remain still till test is completed. Please remove your finger.
Once this is done, we go to the temperature.
Put the temperature probe on your neck or underarm to measure temperature.
This is a contactless temperature measurement machine.
Temperature measurement done.
Once the temperature, we get the results. We go to next. We get our reports of the parameters checked. One is the BMI, the BP, the pulse rate, the temperature, and the recommendations. Now these reports can be emailed, can be sent via SMS, and also can be taken out as a physical printout. We do the physical printout. Once the physical printout is here, these reports can be given. We can also email the reports.
Vinod123@gmail.
The reports can be sent by email, and we also can send an SMS. Now we start with the blood checkup. We start with the hemoglobin first. For that, we will need a prick of blood. This is the cuvette strip. In which the blood is being taken. Hemoglobin device, in which I will insert the cuvette strip.
I see. Good.
And we do start. Once we get our result, this is the result of the hemoglobin level.
Next.
We go to the next test, that is the blood glucose. For that also we require a prick of blood. There's another cuvette strip that we require. This is the glucose device. We do the random blood sugar.
Yes. Yes.
We get the glucose level, the blood glucose level.
Next.
And we go to the next. This is the HbA1c, which is optional. Now we start with the WBC test. For this too, we require a drop of blood. We need another cuvette. The WBC takes around 5 minutes for the results to appear. So this is the report that we get after the WBC test is done. Now we start with the lipid profile test. For this, again we need a drop of blood. Once the blood is collected, we have the test strip here. This is the device for the lipid profile test. We need to on it. We close it. It shows open. We open it. There's a red light over here. We put the blood sample on the red light. We close it. And we start. This will take about 3 minutes for the results to appear. After 3 minutes, this is the type of report that you get on the screen, which is HDL, LDL, your HDL ratio, triglycerides, non-HDL, and total cholesterol is being mentioned. Now we move on to our next test, which is the ECG test. These are the nodes, 12 leads that we put for ECG. We put those leads according to the reference image that is mentioned over here, and we press the start button. Now we move on to our next checkup, which is the skin checkup. For skin checkup, we have the dermoscope with us. This is the dermoscope. We press start. This is used to see any skin infections. Once we see this, we can take a snapshot and upload it. It can be uploaded and send it to the doctor. After the skin checkup, we go to the ENT checkup. For ENT, we use the otoscope, which is used for ear, nose and throat infections. We press start. We check the ear. And we can take whatever it is, we can take the snapshot and upload it. This report can again be sent to the doctor. After this, we go to the video consultation. We press consult doctor. We press live consultation. Once we see this image, we press doctor and we call the doctor. While the doctor is connecting, the doctor can see vitals, prescription, and the patient and doctor can also chat via this box.